1,000-foot overview. Get back your shape this month guaranteed. Have you fallen into the fad diets which promise instant results? It is far from reality. You can't reduce your weight and get back your shape overnight. Fad dieters simply exploiting the weakness of people like you. How would you feel if I tell you a complete weight loss system with almost guaranteed results? It is absolutely natural without any side effects. Is it what you're looking for? Then pay close attention here. The system I am about to reveal is completely natural. It is completely organic. You're completely avoiding preservative and processed foods. It is the diet of our caveman. Yes, I'm referring about paleo diet. Here I want to give you an overview of paleo diet. Simply said, paleo diet requires eating unprocessed, natural and nourishing foods and avoiding the foods which produce toxins and causes inflammation in your body. Toxin-producing and inflammation-causing modern foods are gluten grains, legumes and sugars, including foods based on sugars. In other words, you are shifting to the diet of caveman. The reason for shifting to paleo diet. There is no difference between our body and that of caveman. This is the truth. Modern food industries downplay this truth because of the personal interest. It is the time for you to decide what you want to give to your body. You have only two choices. One is giving what your body really likes. That is natural and organic foods. Or, giving what your body doesn't like. That is processed and preservative foods. The choice is up to you. If you want to get back your shape naturally without any side effects, you must follow the suit of the successful paleo dieters. Follow this link to grab your copy of Paleo Diet Recipes. Remember, Paleo Diet Lifestyle is giving the food what your body really loves. Click here to get started with Paleo Diet new recipes.